I just want to say that Pop on Veneers is worth every single penny. This is from the bottom of my heart. They literally changed my life in one day. Look at that. And then changed my life, absolutely. I was afraid to smile. I'm a foreman for a big electrical company, and I deal with a lot of bigwig people, and I am so self-conscious about it. I'm constantly like talking like this so they can't see my teeth. It's always on my mind. In a matter of one day, getting this truly saved my life. I am happy to smile now. I have got so many compliments from my workers, and everybody just unbelievably shocked at how great of a product this is for the money. Absolutely amazing.